In today's video, you're going to learn how to make money on YouTube the simplest way possible. No, you don't have to show your face. You don't even need a camera. You don't need to use your voice either or hire anyone to do that job. This is an extremely simple, beginner-friendly way that you can start a YouTube channel tapping an underserved niche for free. Stay tuned for the entire video for some bonus tips that I will share with you on how you can make money off of this channel even before you get monetized by YouTube. This is Next Level Finance, where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. If you're interested in this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you're updated each time we post a new video. With all of that said, let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to show you would be samples of channels that are doing really well in this space. This first channel is called Audio Library Music for Content Creators. And what this channel essentially does is post daily videos that are really simple, which I will also show you how to do in just a bit. They have over 4.2 million subscribers and have gotten over 6.6 million views in the past month alone. On Social Blade, you'll also see that this channel is making anywhere between $1,700 all the way up to $27,000 each month. Considering how wide that range is, we can safely assume that they earn somewhere in the middle or around $13,000 a month. What's amazing about this channel is that they're just getting their music for free, but then they turn it into a simple video using a static, no copyright image. Their thumbnail uses the same photo as well with additional text over it. And this is just the easiest thing to do. Definitely no Photoshop skills or experience required for this. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do that in a bit. Like I said, this channel is getting millions of views each month. And it's not just because people love these kinds of music videos that they do, but also because how they've branded their channel. I'll talk more about that after showing you a few more examples. The second channel that I wanted to show you is called Vlog No Copyright Music, and it also has over 2 million subscribers. Again, the monthly earnings range from $1,400 to close to $23,000 per month. They've gotten over 5.6 million views in the past month alone. Now, if you check their videos out, they're really similar to the first channel that I showed you, and they use the same image throughout the video, including the thumbnail. Let me show you one last channel that's doing this, and it's called No Copyright Sounds. It's insane how this channel has over 31.3 million subscribers and has gotten, get this, 10.3 billion views. It's actually part of YouTube's top 100 in terms of subscriber rank and makes between 29.2 thousand all the way up to 486,000 US dollars each month. Can you imagine that, guys? But this should come at no surprise since they did bring in close to 120 million views in the past 30 days alone. So if you're as excited as I am about this niche and how profitable it is, let me show you where you can get photos, where you can get music, and how you can put everything together to create your very own YouTube channel in this particular niche. First, I wanted to show you where to get the free photos that you can use for your videos. I have 3 sources and let me share all of them with you. The first 2 are pixabay.com and pexels.com. So both these are websites that offer 100% copyright-free images and videos that you can download and use as you please. They're 100% free and have a lot of content, so they're used and loved by a lot of content creators everywhere. My third source is our lovely friend Google. The thing with Google, though, is that you can't just download and use the photos however you want to, the way you can with Pixabay or Pexels. So let me show you quickly how to find photos that you can use. So first, you'll want to type in whatever it is you're looking for. Let's say, for example, rainforest. So you'll want to go to Images and then to Tools. And then under Tools, you'll want to click on Usage Rights and then make sure you choose Creative Commons licenses. Now, what the Creative Commons or CC license is one of several public copyright licenses that enables the free distribution of an otherwise copyrighted work. So a CC license is used when an author wants to give people the right to share, use, and build upon a work that he has created. So on these three sources, you can look for photos that you like and that are of a similar style as the ones from the channels that we talked about earlier. Not the exact ones, but because we already know that those kinds of photos and thumbnails do work, we don't want to stray too far away from them. So what you'll want to do is download each photo twice, first for the video and second for the thumbnail. And we need to do this twice because we need two different sizes to make sure that our photos are optimized for use. So for the video, please select the custom download size of 1920 by 1080. This ensures that your photo can fill out the entire video screen instead of having those unsightly black bars on the side. And for the thumbnail, you can specify 1280 by 720 as the custom download size. Now that you have your photos, you'll want to head back to YouTube, click on your channel icon on the top right part of the page, click on YouTube Studio, and then finally, Audio Library. There are tens of thousands of free-to-use music here, and they're specifically for content creators just like you and me, so we can use these without having to worry about any copyright strikes. The only thing you'll really need to do would be to filter based on the genre and mood of your choice, and then hit download. Once you have your photo and music files ready, head on over to openshot.org to download this simple beginner-friendly video editor for absolutely free. So OpenShot has a really simple user interface, and let me just do a quick demo for you now. So let's start creating our video. You can import the files you'll be using either manually by clicking this import button on top and then clicking open, or simply dragging and dropping files from your folders like so. Once you have your audio and picture files ready, you simply drag the photo just like this until you see that it's the same length as the audio file, and that's it. You can check for a preview of what you've just created on this right window over here, and you'll be able to see that your picture file will be shown for the entire duration that the music file is playing. Didn't I tell you that was easy? Okay, now for the bonus I promised you earlier. When you're starting out with your channel, you won't get monetized by YouTube right away. Everyone knows that, right? But did you also know that there is a way for you to still make money off of this? And it's through this site called file-upload.com. So the way this site works is that you can upload a file for free, and whenever someone chooses to download that file, you get paid. So to make sure you earn from this, you'll want to sign up, log in, and then upload your file on the website. Grab that upload link and then include it in your video's description box, just so when people see and hear the video and decide to download it, you can make money from that. These videos are so incredibly simple, and as you've seen, they come from sources that are 100% free. And what's brilliant about this whole scheme is how these creators have branded their channels so that content that can literally be accessed by anyone for free is all in one place. There are more and more YouTube channels than ever before, and everyone just wants and needs free music to use, which is why creating a one-stop shop for them is just so clever. So what else are you waiting for? Try this out today and let us know how it goes. We also have a ton of other money-making ideas available for you, so do check our other videos out as well. And if you found any value in today's content, then please do like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, and all of that other good stuff because it really does support our channel. Don't forget, guys, the best time to get started on this is today. Alrighty then, take care, keep us posted, and we'll see you again on the next one.